How to create sports flyer on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create sport flyer on Microsoft Word in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word, of course. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to flyers option, and now it will take you to this page. Now as you can see, you will find some sports flyers, for example basketball and football, as you can see, and here as you can see again it's football. You will find many here, and if you want to search, go to here and click sport, and as you can see you will find many sports options. And as you can see, I like this one, and this one too, this one, and yeah, it's very easy actually. You can find here many flyers of sport. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.